Let's solve this question. Which of the following compounds has the highest percentage by mass of oxygen? We're going to divide the mass of oxygen in each compound by the total mass of that compound, which is also known as the molar mass. So percent oxygen is going to be equal to mass of oxygen in the compound over the molar mass of the compound times 100. Okay? So for A, we're going to find the total mass or the molar mass of H₂O. So we have 2 hydrogens. We're going to multiply it by the mass of hydrogen. That gives us 2.016. Then we have 1 oxygen times 16. That gives us 16 oxygen. So this is for hydrogen, this is for oxygen. Now, if you add these two up, it gives us 18.016 as the total mass or the molar mass. So percent oxygen is going to be equal to the 16 grams per mole of oxygen over 18.016 grams per mole times 100. So 16 divided by 18.016 times 100 gives us 88.8% by mass of oxygen in this one. So let's write that down, 88.8%. So we're going to do the same thing for carbon dioxide. For CO2, we have 1 carbon times 12.01, which gives us 12.01 of carbon. Then 2 oxygen times 16, which is 32 grams of oxygen. So together, that gives us 44.01 grams per mole. Now, percent oxygen will be equal to this mass of oxygen in the compound. So the total mass of oxygen in the compound, which is 32.0 grams per mole over 44.01 grams per mole times 100. And that gives us 72.7%. So this is 72.7%. So for the third option, we have H₂SO₄. We have 2 hydrogens, which is going to be 2 times 1.008, which is 2.016. We have 1 sulfur times the mass of sulfur in the periodic table, which is 32.06. Then 4 oxygens times the mass of oxygen, which is 64. Then we add them up. 2.016 plus 32.06 plus 64 will give me 98.076 grams per mole. Percent oxygen would then be the total mass of oxygen, which is this one. Okay, so remember this is hydrogen, this is sulfur, and this is oxygen. So 64 grams per mole over 98.076 grams per mole times 100 will give us 65.3%. And this would be 65.3%. Now the last one, CaCO₃, where the calcium is only 1. So we have 40.08, which is the mass of calcium in the periodic table. Carbon is 12.01, you have only 1. Then oxygen is 3, this 3 times 16, that gives us 48 of oxygen. Okay, so add them up. 40.08 plus 12.01 plus 48 gives us 100.09 grams per mole. So percent oxygen will be 48, the total mass of oxygen in that compound, over 100.09 times 100. 48 divided by 100.09 times 100 is going to give us 48% approximately. So from our calculations, we can then conclude that our final answer is A, H₂O. So the oxygen in A has the highest percentage by mass. And that is how you solve this question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this with your friends who this might help, and see you in my next video.